If you don't fail, you're not even trying. I'll say it again. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did.
Jack Chili Bean Queen, what's going down?
There you go. What's up with you, man? What you printing today?
I'm just printing. I haven't printed a day, but I'll probably print in a couple days. Learn from the poet. You're the poet.
Oh man, all right.
If you don't know it, you gotta know it from the poet.
Right, Jack. So I'll let you get to work. I'm gonna get to work as well, and I'll call you later, right? Right.
High crime rates in these $1,000,000 houses. Seen a judge make grown men cry like they childish. Only way is up, we just trying to keep a balance. Bad will save for money, so we often borrow dollars.
Wow, man. I'm just finishing up an image here for Iron Punisher. I already did his shirt. Now his second is gonna be a different design. It's gonna have the arc on the top, arc in the bottom, and the logo in the middle, and then established 2024. So working on that image. But I was speaking to my friend Jonathan Melo from VOB Imprints, and I asked him where he gets his DTF, because this year I'm gonna implement the DTF. I know I've been holding on for years with that, just been doing printing, staying stuck, but my funnel of my schools and my nonprofit has already come down a bit. I gotta refill the funnel, and now I just gonna start doing these DTF, because last year I sent a lot of work out on DTF. I just didn't want to deal with it. I'm not gonna buy the machine right now, but he told me you don't need to buy the machine right now. There's this site that is called Ninja Transfers, and he told me they are very, very good. He told me the price is ridiculous. So one of my friends ordering about 48 pieces of a black shirt, and it has like 9 colors. I only got a 6-color press. I won't even do that, but it has a big white print on the back and on the sleeve, which I'm gonna do. But I said I'm gonna do a DTF. He said let's do DTF, and I just want to make sure that it doesn't wash out or starts cracking within like 10, 20 washes. And Melo told me, no, man, you could go over 100 washes and it's still there. I said that's good enough. 100 washes, I'll take it. But when I went to the website Ninja Transfers, I saw the price, and I was like, wow, man, $199 for 30 feet, 10 by 10 and a half by 10 and a half. You gang up all that images, and I'll get 48 pieces of them. I said, that's not bad for $199. Wow, man, that's pretty good. It beats me trying to make it into 6-color prints, set up screens, put in motion, wash them, line them up, and all that. That's pretty good. So this year I'm really into doing the DTF, because I'm not gonna turn away those work no more. I'm gonna just order from here and just get them done. I want to raise my income this year. I want to get that funnel go up again. So that's pretty good. So he was talking about I could do Photoshop. I could gang up all the 10 and a half in Photoshop, which I know I could do. It's gonna come out good. But he said what he uses is WeShare. That's people that don't have Photoshop. So you could use WeShare and gang up there, so it could keep all the resolution exact. It's not gonna get pixelated or blurry. It's gonna look real nice and crisp. And I just send him a mock-up of it, and he likes it, and I go, okay. So now I'm waiting for the roll to get here, and on my next video, I'm gonna be doing for the first time DTF. And I'm very hype of it. So anyone that done DTF, and I like to know what's temperature on the heat press, how long, the timing when you're doing it. Do I need a Teflon on the top, or just any other ideas? Just comment down below and look out and help me out, because I'm gonna take all that information and just run with it and see how it looks. I can't wait for it. It's gonna look real nice. It's a nice image. You know, it has like about 9 colors, like I said before. There's no way I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna try to do these jobs on like 30, 50 shirts. And if it's even if it's a 4-color print, I'm gonna try to just go DTF on it, you know, just so I could save time. Because that everybody is right now, when you go on print on demand, a lot of that stuff is DTF, is not screen printing. So I'm very excited. I'm right now waiting for my boy Jonathan Milo. He's gonna come here. He's gonna explain to me the website, how to set it all up, and maybe go to WeShare, because I like to even make a video of that. If you're not using Photoshop, you could go to WeShare. That's for the next video. He's gonna come and explain to me all that, and it's gonna be nice, man. Now I just want to finish up here, go home, because my lady's cooking tonight. She's doing something delicious. She told me some Asian food. So, oh man, I'm excited, man. Yesterday, I did a FanDuel, sports bet. I had a 3-leg parlay and one hurt me, man. I don't understand. I don't know how these people that play, they always show how their winnings. I win sometimes, and I when it comes to these sports, these basketball, football, baseball, I'm really not good. What I'm really good at is golf, and I'm glad that golf season just started, and that's the one I'm gonna be talking about. My bets is the golf season. But when I come and try to do these bets on NBA, NFL, MLB, oh man, it's tough, man. It's tough. Yeah, I just keep losing, man.
For the rugged. For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk holla for the quote. On record, off record. I still want to act.
I'm over here with my boy Melo. He's dropping me home. Oh man, awesome, man. So if you guys like this video I'm doing lately right now is all about my daily routines, in 2-3 days what I'm doing, just doing a nice little vlog. Hope you like it. So if you like this video, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.